Hello and welcome from West Mitsubishi. My name is Senan and today we have for you a very nice 2024 GMC Yukon SLT. And it does come with a Duramax Diesel 3.0. This thing is beautiful. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Very nice leather. Captain seats for the second row. Seating for 7. Very nice 360 camera. 11,000 miles. Very low, very new still. And look at that. Hulu, YouTube, and YouTube Kids, and HDMI access also for your kids to watch anything on the road. Heated seats for the second row with HDMI ports. Still plenty of space back here. If you're interested in this vehicle, go ahead and let us know. Good phone number, 530-936-2337. Or come on down and take a look in person. We're located at 624 6th Street, Orland, California, 95963. Have a good one.